Good morning, everyone. I am back with another video of today's daily Python practice coding question. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I am on Data in Motion's week 22 coding question, and the instruction is to define a function called contains blue that accepts any number of arguments. It should return true if any of the arguments are blue or lowercase. Otherwise, it should return false. And it does give us some examples here of what our test cases should return. So as usual, I already created the skeleton with my solution function, which is called contains blue. And as the parameter, I am passing star input, and what star will do is it will let the code know that the function can take in any number of arguments. And then in my main, I have copy and pasted those test cases just to make sure everything is working correctly and the solution is adequate. So let's go ahead and get started. As the instructions said, I'm going to return false at the end, since that's what a return if it isn't any blue in the arguments passed. So I'll start with that return first. So we'll just return false. And then we'll do that if condition. So if blue is actually passed in within the argument tuple, it will return true. So we'll say for we'll just say argue in input if argue is equal to, and it said lowercase blue, we're going to return true. And that should be our solution here. So what we're doing is we're going to loop for each item that's passed in input. And if one of the items is equal to blue, it will return true. But if we don't have anything that is equal to the string of blue, it will return false. So let's go ahead and test this code out and see what we get. And the console down here at the bottom is Python 3, and let's see if we can see if this is correct. Let's compare it to theirs. So they have true, then we have a false, then we have a true, and false. So it looks like everything is working correctly. Let me know if you would have went about solving this problem a different way, and let me know if you have any tips. Other than that, everyone have a great Monday, and bye-bye.